Hi, thank you for starting your free trial with the Coreflux Online MQTT Broker. You've selected the data center region and just received an email with the access codes. Here's how you can take it for a spin. Copy the address, open MQTT Explorer and paste it in the host space. Be smart and turn on TLS encryption. On the email, you can also find the default port, which is 8883. Match it in the MQTT Explorer, as well as the username and password. Click Connect and voila, you're in the Cloud Broker. But as expected, this user cannot really access anything yet. Let's refer to the documentation on docs.coreflux.org to change this. Start by disconnecting. The email has a link that takes you to the docs page where you can learn how to get started with the online MQTT broker. Here you'll find the exact topics you need to subscribe. In this case, copy sys Coreflux config users. On the MQTT Explorer, click on Advanced, paste the topic and click Add. Pro tip: copy and paste the command topic too while you're here. It will come in handy later. Click Connect and now you can see the system configuration of the users. Root is the default user and admin is the one provided in the email. You can change the configuration, the passwords and add new users to the online broker. It's all explained in the docs naturally. Scroll to the Managing Users section where you can see our John Doe example. Go to the MQTT Explorer, type the topic sys Coreflux command and type -add user followed by the username and password you want. Make sure to always use very safe passwords like this. A mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and special characters also works just fine. Click Publish and you get a success message. Here he is. This is a regular user without special access. Simply disconnect and reconnect as John Doe to confirm this. You're inside the broker, but you cannot access the sys Coreflux command. This can be a device, an IoT device, or even an application that is providing data to the online MQTT broker. Let's reconnect as admin and change a user's password. Select the topic sys Coreflux command and type -change user password, followed by the new super safe password. Click Publish and here's the success message. You can also remove a user by typing -remove user, followed by the username. Make sure the correct topic is displayed and click Publish. Bye bye, John Doe! One last important thing. If you change the admin password for the Coreflux Online MQTT broker and later forget it, you need to contact us either on our Discord channel or on the support page at coreflux.org. And by the way, if you find any issues, let us know on our GitHub repository. Enjoy your new broker and let us know what you accomplish with it. See you on the next tutorial.